Good morning. We are going to place some garden straw in our garden bed. Welcome to Roots and Recipes.
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play.
Okay, so quickly before I add the garden straw, I just wanted to show and share that I was able to move my sink over here and my composter. That it was here when I moved in, and it was up by the house, and I like it down here better. So we have never used it, so I'm looking forward to giving that a go. I've never actually composted before, so this is new. Here is a sink I built. I don't know. I feel like it's already been 2 months. Could be longer. I had it over in my cooking area over here. It's a hot mess right now. Excuse me. I had it over there, but I like it better in the garden area. So that, I built it for vegetable washing, right? So I'll have a table over there that I'll build later to help me out when I'm cooking and stuff. But, the greenhouse is going to be here. Makes sense to have this here. And I'll run the water. The hose reaches. So we'll figure that out. We'll get water to it. And here's a compost bin I've never used before. Soil Saver is the name of it. So looking forward to giving that a go. I'll remove the weed barrier from underneath that so that the soil and worms and stuff can come up ideally. Not that there's any in this dirt, this barren dirt. All right, so it's gonna get hotter and I want to add some garden straw so that it retains moisture better, because I feel like I come and check the soil and it's dry, so I have to water a lot. Although it looks pretty good today, but it's pretty dewy out. So yep. All right, let's get started. So disclaimer, I planted a lot of these and didn't place the markers right away, so I'm probably going to get them wrong until they really start sprouting, and then I can adjust the markers accordingly. But some of these I've never seen before, so probably going to be inaccurate. I need a sharper knife. Bad angle, bro. I'm probably doing this the hard way, as most things I do. I'm debating putting a shade cloth right here to help protect all the seedlings, at least in this area. I'm afraid of the birds. What do you think? I have more. Should I add additional straw or leave it as is? See, I don't want the seedlings, the sprouts, to have too much trouble coming through.
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time living the life of